to
Yep.
him. I just did.
Yep, you saved me.
Beautiful.
You're my hero.
I just pushed it forward like.
Yep. Yeah, you did. You did good.
I just did.
Thank you.
I just did falling. Yes.
Yep.
Why did falling? Whenever you was almost falling, you would say, "Bye bye, Levi." I got focus in the rail.
Oh, there. I didn't have you seen it.
I seen it.
Okay.
I just not give me and more.
Yeah,
Yeah. And you go beat me.
pretty.
And go bye bye, Kobe.
This
Okay.
I meet you all.
Okay.
I meet you all.
is pretty.
What you doing, princess?
I'm walking.
You're walking.
Yes. Watch out.
This is pretty cool, Chloe.
Watch out, Daddy.
Yep, I see.
There's a cliff there.
Yep, thank
I
you.
stay with that. Come on. Come on.
Oh, you're gonna fall. Don't do that. Stay down here on the trail, okay?
There I go fall.
No, everybody's doing it. See, look, don't follow Levi because he just fell.